my childhood upbringing was very Jewish because me and my brother went to Jewish day school for 17 years. Certainly had more Jewish education than my parents ever had. Mezuzah on the front door, no, 2 sets of dishes, 2 sets of cutlery. Friday night prayers, Yiddish. Synagogue 3 times a year on the high holidays, basically. Yisker candles at the appropriate times of year. And just a Yiddishkeit to the family and to the neighborhood that I grew up in, which is St-Luc, which is one of the most Jewish neighborhoods in North America. I mean, per capita outside of Israel, it's like 99% Jewish, and it's one of the Jewish neighborhoods of Montreal, and sort of classically Jew. I mean, to me, I would say equally Jewish in tradition was Sunday night Chinese food, where you could have pork, but you can't bring it home. You cannot take home leftovers unless it's chicken or beef, but the pork stays at the restaurant. Lobster claw, no problem, Sunday nights, like clockwork. And when you go into these Chinese restaurants on Sunday nights in Montreal, everyone was Jewish. You'd know people. You walk around like, good Shabbos, good Shabbos. It wasn't Shabbos, but, and you totally ate not kosher food, but you wouldn't bring it home with you. Kosher-style family.